Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soap dishes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Dish Soap, Fresh Scent. Now, you might be wondering why a dish soap is included in this list, but hear me out. This is a versatile product perfect for cleaning soap dishes and maintaining hygiene. Packaged in a set of 4 30-fluence-ounce bottles, its grease-cutting power is impressive and tackles tough grime effectively. Plus, it's formulated without parabens, phthalates, or phosphates, making it a safer choice for your home. One of its standout features is the refreshing and pleasant scent that accompanies its cleaning performance. Whether you're dealing with stubborn soap residue or greasy surfaces, this product ensures sparkling results. While it's not a physical soap dish, its long-lasting supply makes it ideal for maintaining cleanliness across multiple soap dishes. However, it's worth noting that this isn't designed to hold soap directly, so its inclusion here is more about utility and upkeep. Overall, if you're looking for something to complement your soap dish collection and keep your bathroom or kitchen hygienic, this is a great pick. It's affordable, effective, and comes from a trusted brand. But for those seeking a dedicated soap holder, you'll want to look further up the list. Pros: excellent grease-cutting power, long-lasting supply, and clean ingredients. Cons: not a physical soap dish and limited applicability for soap storage. Coming in at number 4 is the BAOQN 4-pack plastic soap dish. Designed with functionality and portability in mind, this double-layer soap dish offers effective drainage to keep your soap dry and extend its lifespan. The upper layer allows water to drain quickly, while the lower layer captures excess water, preventing messes on your countertop. The vibrant color combinations, milky white, gray-blue, khaki, and light green, add a pop of style to your bathroom or kitchen. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, though this does mean it's not suited for larger soap bars. Made from sturdy plastic, it's durable and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use. However, the lightweight design might feel less premium compared to higher-end options. This product is perfect for those who value quantity and versatility, as you get 4 pieces in one pack, ensuring you can use them in multiple locations around your home. The BAOQN soap dishes are a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers who want multiple soap holders without compromising on basic functionality. Pros: affordable, compact, and vibrant color options. Cons: limited size for larger soaps and less premium build quality. At number 3, we have the Wooden Soap Dish by Vowupt. This handcrafted soap dish brings a touch of natural elegance to your bathroom. Made from wood, it's not only eco-friendly, but also highly functional, featuring hollowed-out wooden strips and a heightened base for optimal drainage. This design helps keep your soap hard and prevents it from turning mushy, extending its lifespan significantly. Each piece is unique, showcasing a rustic charm that doubles as home decor. The compact size makes it suitable for travel or small bathrooms, though it may not accommodate larger soap bars. Regular cleaning is recommended to maintain its durability and appearance. While it's lightweight, the wooden construction feels sturdy and offers a premium, artisanal vibe. If you're someone who appreciates handmade craftsmanship and a stylish aesthetic, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for holding natural or homemade soaps. But keep in mind that it requires some maintenance to avoid warping when exposed to moisture for prolonged periods. Pros: handcrafted design, eco-friendly, and excellent drainage. Cons: requires regular cleaning and maintenance, and may not suit larger soap bars. At number 2, we have the Wyok 2-pack soap dish with drain. This plastic soap dish offers a dual-layer design that effectively drains water from your soap, keeping it dry and extending its usability. The upper layer features slots for drainage, while the lower layer prevents water from pooling onto your countertop, ensuring a clean and dry surface. Made from durable polypropylene (PP) plastic, this soap dish is lightweight yet sturdy. The minimalist design in white, adds a touch of elegance and modernity to your bathroom or kitchen. Its detachable trays make cleaning a breeze, and the size accommodates most standard soap bars. However, larger bars may not fit comfortably. This product is perfect for those who value simplicity and functionality. Whether you're placing it in the shower, bathroom, or kitchen, the Wyox soap dish delivers reliable performance. Pros: effective drainage, easy to clean, and durable material. Cons: limited size for larger soap bars. Finally, at number 1, we have the Modengkongjin self-draining soap dishes. This set of 3 silicone soap dishes is designed for maximum practicality and style. Made from high-quality, flexible silicone, these soap savers are soft, durable, and easy to clean. The self-draining grooves allow water to flow out, keeping your soap dry and preventing it from melting. A key feature for extending the life of your soap. The anti-slip design ensures your soap stays in place, while the versatile rectangular shape fits comfortably on bathroom counters, kitchen sinks, or even bathtubs. The 3-piece set comes in a sleek color palette of white, gray, and teal, making it suitable for modern or minimalist decor. The silicone material is eco-friendly and safe for use by both adults and children, as it's free from harmful chemicals and odors. These soap dishes are perfect for anyone looking for a durable, stylish, and effective solution to keep their soap dry. The pack of 3 also makes it an excellent value for those who want multiple holders for different areas of the home. Pros: excellent drainage, durable silicone material, and versatile design. Cons: may feel less premium compared to wooden or metal options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.